In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change output language in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set the language Gemini uses for its interface and responses, using the language settings in your Google account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use with Gemini. If you use multiple accounts, glance at the profile picture in the top right to confirm you're in the correct one, since the language setting you're about to change applies to that specific account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the Gemini page. In the menu that opens, select Manage your Google account. This will open your Google account settings in a new tab or window. In your account settings, go to Personal Info. Here, look for the Language section. This is where you control the default language for many Google experiences, including Gemini. Click Language to open your options. Now choose your preferred language. You can either select from the list or use the search box to find your exact language and regional variant. For example, English, United States versus English, United Kingdom, or Spanish, Spain versus Spanish, Mexico. Pick the one that best matches your needs. If you see an option to add additional languages, that's helpful if you work in more than one language, but be sure your top language is set as the default. If there's a Save or Confirm button, click it to finalize your choice. Some pages update automatically after you select a language, but it's always good to check for a save prompt. With that set, return to your Gemini tab and refresh the page. A simple page reload usually applies the change right away. After the refresh, the Gemini interface and its default output language should reflect the language you selected. Try typing a short prompt to confirm the change. If it doesn't switch immediately, give it a moment and refresh again. Sometimes it takes a brief moment for the setting to propagate. A quick note: this language setting lives in your Google account, so it may also influence the language you see across other Google products when you're signed in. If you collaborate or browse in multiple languages frequently, consider keeping those languages listed in your account, with your most used one set as the default. That's it. Your Gemini output language is updated and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy prompting.